Welcome to Cargotec Managed Inventory, CMI, a new way of running your parts operation. Businesses around the globe are facing tough challenges when it comes to their parts logistics and inventory management. The pressure to deliver greater cost and operational efficiencies and increased productivity grows more intense by the day. You may recognize only too well the complexity of managing a large number of suppliers carrying an increasing inventory of parts. And if you have multi-site locations or even global operations, this can present considerable management problems. How often have you needed to order vital parts from suppliers without first considering that one of your other operations might carry the same part and could ship it to you in a fraction of the time? And those high-value critical parts you carry for emergencies only can stay in the warehouse for so long that they tie up vital working capital and can even become obsolete. Being in control of the enormous inventory of parts needed to keep your equipment up and running can be a real logistical challenge, particularly over multiple sites. And if one vital part is out of stock, it can cause equipment to shut down and seriously affect operations. Parts consumption is clearly driven by maintenance needs, and this requires a process to optimize stock levels and reordering if your operation is to run efficiently. Cargotec will help you develop an optimum maintenance schedule. By providing materials exactly when you need them, you can significantly improve the efficiency of your parts throughput. This is achieved through a new warehousing solution that's available without the need for any new buildings. Introducing Cargotec's Virtual Warehouse. It's an integral part of our new consultancy service that puts you firmly in control of rationalizing your parts inventory. Using cloud technology, Virtual Warehouse is a system that integrates your entire inventory and creates a network across every site and location. It makes complex problems simple and straightforward. It gives you total flexibility and control over your parts inventory. The increased visibility of the Virtual Warehouse provides the opportunity to utilize slow-moving parts and reduces the risk of parts becoming obsolete. This means you'll free up working capital and increase management efficiency. Working in close partnership with you, CMI ensures that you know just where your commercial future lies. Cargotec's expertise in dynamic forecasting and demand modeling enables you to accurately predict future requirements for parts throughout your operations. Using advanced statistical techniques to simulate demand and logistic flows, we can reduce your costs by optimizing all aspects of your supply chain. Imagine the benefits of being able to more accurately plan how much stock is appropriate for any given time and location. Now it's time to get things moving, so we help you to find the most efficient distribution solution for your parts right across the supply network. Knowledge is everything, and the best way to plan for the future is to manage and analyze the data gained from this vital new way of doing business. Our expertise will guide you through this process. For example, ensuring the supply chain consistently operates to its full potential and lowest running costs is about making all the components work together as efficiently as a well-maintained piece of equipment. Procurement, transport management, materials management, order processing, and distribution all operating seamlessly to improve equipment uptime and reduce workshop costs. And CMI also incorporates reverse logistics. This gives you an opportunity to recover your investment in parts that may have become overstocked or obsolete. It also provides for the return of used components for reconditioning. So far, this all sounds very attractive. But naturally, you need to see the real indicators of how CMI works in practice. How can you truly measure and evaluate its success? Well, an excellent starting point is our ability to evaluate inventory performance, which ultimately leads to the release of working capital for other important projects. Cargotec's consultancy services can go as far as you need them and be tailored to meet your needs precisely, with you always in control. Through a smarter management system, we will reduce the number of standard jobs and increase equipment uptime. This data-driven solution will convert your fixed costs into variable costs and match your business cycle. We see a future where productivity increases and maintenance costs reduce in proportion to your business output. Through a highly integrated supply chain management system, not only do you achieve a faster, more accurate order fulfillment, but also the key performance indicators are there at every stage to track and analyze the inventory management performance. This also helps to make for a faster, healthier, and more sustainable operation. Changing the way you operate your business is an important factor, which is why we work with you to phase in the improvements over an agreed timescale. You can turn CMI on and off as you need it. This provides your team with the opportunity to adapt to new procedures and thoroughly evaluate each stage of the process. Cargotec has the global capability to add real value and increased profitability to your business through efficient inventory turnover, improved parts availability, flexible service options, and releasing working capital. It also makes redundant and obsolete parts a thing of the past. And one key factor in this new era of high-performance business operation, your cost per move will become more competitive than ever before. Add to that the reassurance that the entire CMI process is underpinned by Lean Six Sigma, a continual process of analysis and improvement. Cargotec Managed Inventory. The benefits are clear. A more efficient way of running your parts management. Freeing up working capital. Delivering better machine uptime. Lowering maintenance costs. Maximizing your parts inventory. Improving throughput in the workshop. Cargotec. We keep cargo on the move. For further information, visit www.cargotec.com/CMI.